Get acquainted with the 2026 Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated front seat. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.